What is up, guys? It's the Mohawk guy here. I haven't made one of these ever since I touched down a couple of days ago. It's almost been 1 week. So I haven't even uploaded the one that I made. It was supposed to be uploaded a couple of days ago. So
Just 1 week.
yeah, just 1 week. I haven't even uploaded the one that I'm supposed to upload last week. So, let's see. I told you guys I don't have a schedule on how I upload this stuff. We are now in Surya Sabha. As the name would sound, it's a mall. So I'm gonna show you guys around the mall here. Yeah. See you guys. So you guys should probably see right now I have a very, very red eye. It's due to some cats. It's due to some cats. We visited the place with many cats, a lot of cats, but who doesn't love cats, right? So I was petting the cat. I have an allergic to cats. The fur, to be more exact. I accidentally touched my eye after touching the cats, and bam, this happened. Anyways, this is the mall. It's not that big, or at least not as big as I remembered it to be. I think this is a very, very big place. I don't know, maybe my perspective changed. I don't know. There's the restaurant that I loved to go last time. Well, I still love going to that restaurant. I'm not saying I don't like going there anymore. It has great food. Food there is awesome. Red eye.
Yum.
Here I am, testing my bronze. Look at those colors, man. Pretty freaking vibrant. Damn. Men's underwear. Yeah. Oh yeah. So what I'm talking about. I mean, I could fit them, I guess. Maybe. Who knows? I haven't tried them. I mean, I've tried them. They seem to fit well. Look at these colors, man. Well, had a couple of bras. I'm not even sure what to say in this vlog, actually. I'm gonna go to the toilet now. I have a small leak here, so I'm not gonna show you. See you guys. What is up, guys? It's the Mohawk guy here. Haven't done one of these in a very, very, very long time. Well, the last one I did was a couple of weeks ago. Anyways, I am here tonight. Let me just pan around for you guys to see this. Look at that! Look at that, man! Super Nintendo, Super Famicom. I mean, who has these? And of course, this beauty right here. Space Raid, guys. Space Raid. My God! You can even select from black and white to color. That is insane. And right here we have Metal Slug on emulation. Oh yeah, on emulation. Oh yeah. Anyways, I'll try to film as much as possible for you guys to see. Comment down below what you guys think about this setup, system, whatever it is. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Well, here I am, playing some games. I promise you guys, I'll show you some footages of games, but I failed to do that. Well, I got to level 5. That counts. So,
you want to try it out? Sound coming out?
there is no sound coming
How
out.
to go back? How to go back? No, can you think?
Having life. Oh well. Sorry.
Oh, you have to go back. You need to hit reset.
No, I can touch. Okay. Ow! I'm the white, right? Okay, I'm the white. Oh, I'm Kim. Ah! Ai à! Đó. Màu đâu? I can bring my console next time, PS3. But I don't. I think I got PS3 access by wiring everywhere.
Well, it's in full swing, I guess, right now. Everyone's here. So, there you go. Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Come again?
Did you change the sound?
Okay.
Lambat jatuh, bebe. Oh, I know really. Super fucking calm. Blood pressure, good night, this one. Damn it. Nó bông à?
Would you look at that? There's one room here.
Ui, mabuk already. Feel like that.
I don't know. It used to be so clean.
Let me adjust it.
It's fine now.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
And it's not fine.
Shoot.
Now that's
Get a photo.
that's not right.
Dude is shooting dying. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know what's happening.
You need some skills to get through that.
Oh. Oh shit. It's
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Probably the best is to get it like. Whoa. Graphic, man.
I know. Have you seen Battlefield 1?
One, I think my.
This year coming out.
Oh, the movie.
No, the game.
The first one?
No, it's called Battlefield 1.
Oh, not yet.
Okay, the graphics there is insane.
Do you want to run?
Okay.
Pause the recording first. I need to fix.
What is up, guys? We are now playing Space Raid on the Atari system. It is insane. Well, guys, first impressions on playing with this joystick right here. There isn't really actually much feedback. As in, the joysticks don't really actually move that much. There's very minimal force being used right now to move it around. And you actually need to time your shots right now. It's rather challenging actually.
Actually, your shots will follow you as you move around.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so now there's skeletal faces and they're moving! Oh god, they're moving! That's scary, dude! Ah, I died. Oh god! I'm trying not to get hit by these faces. They're so scary! Good lord! Ah, I died again. I died again. Really challenging. If this was a keyboard, a mechanical keyboard, I'd see the actuation force is not that much. It's like a half mechanical keyboard, if you know where I have the feel of it. If it's a console controller comparison. One more phase! And I can't. It's going up. One more. Come to me. Oh! I think that's all for now. How do I pause it?
You can't.
I'm gonna die anyways, so what is up, guys? From the Atari now to freaking typewriter. I will be doing something, I'm gonna be cutting on it, and I'm gonna tell you guys the freaking experience compared to, let's say, a Cherry MX Blue keyboard. The tactile feedback. So let's have a go. Let's type something. It's jamming up. And now
Not server.
manual
More when the second click right.
Right.
So I read it for 4 on Microsoft 2014. Basically, storage has plus 3 spreads automatically or remote server. So 2 plus 3 is 5 spreads. The runner cannot use AI program, don't worry, these are all not AI. But it's a code kit now.
Yeah. How you doing?
Rest of the days of storage.
Look at this.
And the runner spends 3
It actually moves when I press this red button right here. Wow. Wow. And this apparently means shift. Can you guys see that? It's shift to the key to the left. So when I press here,
you don't have it. You have a sentry breaker.
it's not typing.
Right, okay.
Okay. So press this button.
So
It's a shift. It's a shift. It's a freaking shift. Let it go. It becomes the normal non-block letters.
Yeah.
Let's type another
I
round.
think the first one was kicked in.
Look closely. My typing is super bad.
Was here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It just says pending next to enter.
Oh, okay, and the
And
one on high.
University.
Okay, I like
Close up. That is not as intended. It's actually better than I expected it to be actually. Not that bad. There's minor errors. University is clearly written as a
So
university.
you know I can only install either agenda or
Actually, it's not that. Actually, not that bad.
it can be a lot of upgrades.
So, how does it feel compared to a Cherry MX keyboard? It feels mushy as hell. That's all I can say. There's some sort of feedback when you press down like this. I mean, it doesn't really. You'll feel a bump. It's more like not that satisfying, but the sound is very satisfying though. Listen to that. It sounds satisfying as hell. My Starbucks hormones are raging right now. I'm gonna write a novel, and I will see you guys after this. And that's all, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I cannot do an outro for this vlog. I'm actually recording my audio from the laptop. From the laptop. Again, thank you very much, guys, for watching. Like the video if you guys liked it. Dislike the video if you guys didn't really like what you saw. Subscribe for more content from my channel if you guys like this kind of content. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. I am no longer on Facebook. Wait, I am still on Facebook. And yeah, that's all for today, guys.